Here's a video update. It's around 2:30 in the afternoon. I had contacted Jeff, and he will plow, or I should say snow blow. We'd probably have to plow the front to remove the mound of snow. He'll wait until it's finished, whenever that's going to be. It's supposed to be sometime later this afternoon. However, I think we're going to probably get the full 12 to 14 inches that they had predicted. And I called up Tess this morning and wished her a happy birthday. So, anyway, I'm sure things are nicer down there. Talk to you later. Bye.